some extension work for you based on our work on area last week. So in these questions, I've got the answer, I've got the area, and I need to find out a missing length. So for example, in this rectangle, we know that to find the area of a rectangle, we do the base times by the perpendicular height will give me my answer of my area. So I know that my base times by my perpendicular height will give me my area. So what I need to do is I need to work backwards. So to get this by itself, to undo times by 5, I divide by 5. So I know that the length of my base is 40 divided by 5, which is 8. And because it's a length, it's just 8 centimetres in this case. Okay? And then we can check it. So 8 times 5 does give 40 centimetres squared. Here's another example. I want to find the length of the base of my triangle. Now we know that to find the area of a triangle we need to do our base times by our perpendicular height, then divide our answer by 2 and we get our area, which in this case is 12. So our base times by our perpendicular height, all divided by 2, gives me the area, which in this case we know, 12 metres squared. So I need to work backwards again. So at the moment I've got my base, I'm multiplying it by 3 and then dividing by 2. So I need to do the reverse. So to undo divide by 2, I times by 2. So if I times this side by 2, I'm just left with this. If I times this side by 2, 12 times 2 is 24. To undo times by 3, I divide by 3. So I divide both sides by 3. So that goes, and then 24 divided by 3 is 8. So I'm saying I think the length of the base of my triangle is 8 metres this time because it's a length. And again, we can check it because we know that the area of a triangle is the base, 8, times by the perpendicular height, 3. So 8 times 3 is 24. And then we divide our answer by 2. So 24 divided by 2 is 12 metres squared. So we know we've found out the right answer here. So some questions for you to try. First of all, can you find me the missing perpendicular height in this parallelogram? And then, please could you find me the missing length of the base in this trapezium?